Here's a Happy Feet Plus, a LEED certified platinum building made out of foam and concrete, and they stick these tiles on the outside. Really neat. This was the Eco Depot back in '04, 10 years ago. It was a building designed for sustainability before it was vogue. Right under this slab there's a cistern. Takes all the water from the roof. It's a metal roof. Here is a retention pond. Now it's law you have to put these in. Small pond that would take all the drainage water from the property. It's about an acre, and so we can use it to water all the plants. Anyway, we put a PV system on a carport in the back, and there are, it's about 10 years old. The inverters failed. Naturally the panels in great condition. They're only 10 years old, so they're not even a quarter of their useful life. Polycrystalline or multicrystalline Sharp 165s. It's 24 of them, almost 5K. We're going to rewire it. Replace the disconnect, obviously. It rotted. I don't like to use metal, but back in the day, that's what you did. All the disconnects were metal, but we're going to, our junction boxes now, we're going to do everything in plastic. It's a little safer, especially with PV on a metal roof. I'd gotten shocked on this, wiring it in and just touching the panel and grounding myself on the thing. I got a shock. There's our unistrut mount. We use double unistrut and clips. We use the same thing now. 10 years later, we're still doing the same thing. Real easy, straightforward. Here's some specialized clips that give area for ventilation between the panels. It's not really necessary anymore, but it's nice. We use the same principle. Now, anyway, this had a Sun Vista inverter, which was made by Sharp. Sharp, a year after that in '05, decided that they shouldn't be in the inverter business, which was great. Now they don't even make panels for residential use, mostly commercial. This is the AC side. Here's the DC side. We're going to use a SMA inverter mounted on this pole right here, and get the inverter out of the sun. Naturally, this one had small fans in it, but it was hopefully inadequate. Worked for a number of years, and started having controller issues. We had to reboot, and it's probably one of the many reasons that Sharps got out of the inverter business. Anyway, once we have it mounted, I will come out again and continue the show.